Effective publication: a thesis submitted for a higher degree on or after the 1st of January 1953 is considered effectively published only if it carries a statement of its publication or an internal evidence, e.g. an ISBN, or a commercial publisher. Publication of handwritten material, reproduced by some mechanical or graphic process, indelible autograph, such as lithography, offset, or metallic etching before the 1st of January 1953 is effective. Principle of priority: the principle of priority is concerned with the selection of a single correct name for a taxonomic group. After identifying legitimate and illegitimate names, and rejecting the latter, a correct name has to be selected from among the legitimate ones. If more than one legitimate names are available for a taxon, the correct name is the earliest legitimate name in the same rank. The following examples illustrate the principle of priority. The three commonly known binomials for the same species of Nymphea are N. nachalibum, F. 1768. N. acutiloba DC, 1824, N. stellatawild, 1799, Malabrakapwa, 1798. Using the priority criterion, N. nachalibum, F. is selected as the correct name as it bears the earliest date of publication. The other three names are regarded as synonyms. The citation is written as limitations to the principle of priority. Application of the principle of priority has the following limitations. 1. Starting dates. The principle of priority starts with the species Plantarum of Linnaeus published on the 1st of May 1753. The starting dates for different groups include seed plants, pteridophytes, Sphagnaceae hepaticae, most algae, slime molds and lichens, 0.125-1753 mosses excluding Sphagnaceae, 0.121-1801 fungi. The 31st of December 1801 fossils, 0.312-1820 algae, Nostocaceae, 0.121-1886 algae, Edogoniaceae, 0.121-1900. The publications before these dates for respective groups are ignored while deciding the priority. 2. Not above family rank. The principle of priority is applicable only up to the family rank, and not above. 3. Not outside the rank. In choosing a correct name for a taxon, names or epithets available at that rank need to be considered. Only when a correct name at that rank is not available, can a combination be made using the epithet from another rank. Rejection of names. The process of selection of correct name for a taxon involves the identification of illegitimate names. Illegitimate names equals those which do not satisfy the rules of botanical nomenclature. A legitimate name must not be rejected merely because it, or its epithet, is inappropriate or disagreeable, or because another is preferable or better known, or because it has lost its original meaning. The name Sala peruviana, 1753, is not to be rejected merely because the species does not grow in Peru. 1. Norman Nudm, abbreviated Norm, Nut, a name with no accompanying description. Many names published by Wallach in his catalogue, abbreviated Wall. Cat, published in 1812, were Norman Nudm. These were either validated by another author at a later date by providing a description too. Name not effectively published, not properly formulated, lacking typification or without a Latin diagnosis. 3. Tautonym. Whereas the zoological code allows binomials with identical generic name and specific epithet, e.g. bison, such names in botanical nomenclature constitute tautonyms, e.g. malus, and are rejected. Repetition of a specific epithet in an infraspecific epithet does not constitute a tautonym but a legitimate autonym, e.g. Acacia nilotica sus. Nilotica. 4. Later homonym. Just as a taxon should have one correct name, the code similarly does not allow the same name to be used for two different species or taxa. Such, if existing, constitute homonyms. The one published at an earlier date is termed the earlier homonym and that at a later date is the later homonym. The code rejects later homonyms even if the earlier homonym is illegitimate. Ranks of taxon. Names of taxon. PL taxa refers to a taxonomic group. The system of nomenclature provides a hierarchical arrangement of ranks. Every plant is treated as belonging to a number of taxa, each assigned a particular rank. Onion thus belongs to Allium cepa species rank, Allium genus rank, Alliaceae family rank, and so on. The 7 principal obligatory ranks of taxa in descending sequence are kingdom, regnum, division or phylum, divisio, phylum, class, classes, order, ordo, family, familia, genus, genus, and species, species. The names of the groups belonging to ranks above the level of genus are annomials in the plural case. Thus, it is appropriate to say Winteraceae are primitive, and inappropriate when we say Winteraceae is primitive.